Welcome everybody. Today I will present you this 15 important or useful shortcuts. The first shortcut is said that is Ctrl+Shift+l is to insert filter. Look, here is the arrange of your data or your table. So press this Ctrl and then this Shift and finally this L. Look, here is the filter. So if you press this filter, you see this your data, this data numbers. So for example, if you select and select, and if you want to see this 45 and 55 and then OK, look, here is 55 and 45 filtered. And the second one, to insert dates. Look, here is the control and here is the semicolon. Look, 66/2026, the date of today. And let's repeat this one. Control, this control plus and this semicolon. Yeah, so this is the third one is sum of the data or this sum of the student score. To sum up this student score, first click here, then you have to use this Alt plus equal, then enter. This means that here is Alt and this equal sign. Look, we selected the range from this C2 to this C7, then you should have to this enter. Yeah, look, it sums this 430. The other also to enter inside a cell, you have to use this Alt plus enter. That means that here is the Alt, and first you should have to click here, then you should have to go to this Alt and then this enter, next line on a cell. The fifth one is how to format a cell with shortcuts. So to format this table, you should have to use this control plus this one, and you have to go to this control button and then this one. Look, so these format cells will come up here. So from this you can use this alignment and this font color, and here is a border, here is a fill. You can change the color of your data. For example, this one red, and you can use another border, and here is a border, and here is the alignments and numbers. The different formats can be done with these shortcuts. Okay, the sixth one, to select all this data, you have to use this Ctrl+A. Press the Ctrl and then this press A. Look, yeah, selected all your data. And the other, the 7, to copy this your data. Look, Ctrl+A, then Ctrl+C, paste the copy, and if you use this Ctrl+V, paste Ctrl+C. Now this Ctrl+C, yeah, it can work. Then To create a table, first you should have to select your range of your data. So then press this Ctrl button and then this T, Ctrl+T. Yeah. So this is the range of your table. Then you should say OK. Yeah. Look, your table will be created. Number 11. This Ctrl plus this arrow keys. Here is the arrow keys and here is a Control button. So if you press this Control sign and if you press this up arrow, your destination will be above here. Look, you can move up, move down, move towards the left, and can move to the right, to up. Yeah, like this. You can move by controlling this control and by this pressing these buttons. Number 12. Select your data table. If you want to select your data table, so you should press this control and then this shift, and then you can press this arrows to the left and downward and upward. Look, and to the left and to the right. So you can select by pressing this Ctrl Shift and these arrows. First you have to go to your table and you have to move upward and downward selection. Number 13. How to find something in your data table. So to find any data in your table, you should have to use this shortcut Ctrl+F. So here is the Control button and here is the F button. So press Control and F, Control and F. Yeah, this box will be appear. Find and replace box will be appear. So you can find what right here. Then find all. Number 14. To find and replace. To find and replace. So to do that, first press this Control button, then press this H. Yeah. So this find and replace with box will be appear. And finally, if you want to cut Ctrl+X. For example, if you want to cut this table, first Ctrl+A, then Ctrl plus this X. If you want to paste to this, Ctrl+V. Yeah. So your table will be cut and come here. So to return back, Ctrl+Z. This is all. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more. Bye bye for now.